Class of 2010 and everyone here, a pleasant afternoon. These days have passed by too fast that we're not able to notice that we have completed a year of giving simple services to our community. When we first came to this school, we were skeptical. All of us had been pulled out of our comfort zones and pushed into a completely new environment with new rules, new teachers, and new peers. Some of us realized right away that things would be different and tried to adapt to these new surroundings, while others clung to their old values and stubbornly refused to let go. In time, we progressed as individuals to form a unified community. But for this day, it doesn't matter whether we accepted everyone with a beaming openness or rejected them with sarcastic brush off, because we are all here to graduate as a united whole. To our President, Dr. Maria Emelita Lunagoco, thank you. This institution would not be here without you, and we would not be here without you. To our Dean of College in Nursing, Mrs. Maria Carla Emresma, thank you for letting us to conduct every activity that we did. And to Mrs. Luz Malorca, the Principal of the Basic Education Department, thank you for your support and for letting your NSTP High School students be with us on some of our activities. And of course, to our NSTP advisor, Mr. Angel Ahoro, thank you for always listening to our suggestions and even with our complaints, and for guiding us in everything that we do. You have molded our leadership skills and taught us of giving simple services to other people in the best way that we can. This graduation ceremony is not just a celebration for us, but also giving thanks to you. A kite could not soar without the wind, and could not even stay afloat during the storm without the stream. So, sir, thank you for lifting us up when times were down, and for keeping us steady when life was turbulent. And to my fellow graduates, I look up to you with respect and admiration. I have seen your hard works and all the efforts you've made for the success of every activity that we did. We had so much fun throughout the whole year, and we have experienced so much adventures. Who among you could ever forget the experience of going to Barangay Mayabig Baho, traveled a little bit long, climbed the mountain, and messed up ourselves with all those months just to plant trees for the sake of our mother nature? And of course, swimming in the river full of lematics. That is really unforgettable. I have seen how hard you work for the accomplishment of every group immersion that we had. And now, I feel humbled indeed to be speaking in such a group of hard-working and hard-kinded people. Thank you for your inspiring examples. I'd like to end up this speech with a Bible verse. It is written in the 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 58. Therefore, my beloved brethren, be ye steadfast, unmovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord. For your labor is not in vain with the Lord. That only means that all the efforts we've made were not wasted, and everything that we've done were all worth it. Good afternoon to you all, and again, thank you.